how did I first realize that Danya had sensory processing disorder? It was actually a process. It wasn't something that I immediately noticed. I remember around the age of 2 or so, the background noises that we usually just tune out because we're used to them, she would pay attention to every little sound. At the age of 3, she started throwing tantrums when we would dress her. The way she would react to the clothes was as if they were, sandpaper. That she just would throw a tantrum, tell us they're too tight, and it got to the point where I had to buy her a size or 2 bigger. So as I did my research, just going to Google, seeing what I could find, I came across sensory processing, and I made an appointment with an occupational therapist to get her diagnosed, and they assessed her. So she was officially diagnosed. I've integrated just these routine habits at the recommendation of her occupational therapist to help manage her symptoms. For example, more recently, there's a sensory brush that the occupational therapists use for sensory children.
So she gets a brush like this, and she brushes like the back and the top arm, and she does the other arm and the other leg and the other leg.
So that's one, is just this brush technique that they use, and it gives them that deep pressure input that they're seeking, so it helps calm her down. The advice that I would give to parents with sensory processing disorder, with children with sensory processing disorder, is seek treatment. Definitely, go see an occupational therapist. The therapy for these children is just really a sensory playground where they just have fun. So I would say definitely seek treatment and be forgiving to yourself because it can be tiring. So just you're human and you're doing your best. So just remember you love your child and you're doing the best for them.